Yakima here. Let's get dialed on the new Dr. Trey bike rack. Dr. Trey is lightweight, easy to use, and versatile. Not to mention, it looks good on your car. Plus, it's a breeze to assemble and install. Let's roll. Out of the box, it comes with a base, 2 wheel trays, and 2 wheel cups with hardware. Dependent on your hitch receiver size, you can choose from the 2-inch model or the 1.25-inch model seen here. First step of the install, grab the base and use the remote control tilt lever to rotate the hitch tongue 90 degrees outward. Then, insert the base into your hitch receiver. Make sure the hole in the base aligns with the hole in the receiver. Insert the safety pin. Tighten the locking speed knob completely while maneuvering the Dr. Trey back and forth slightly. Then lock the speed knob with the included SKS key. You know the knob is locked when it spins freely. Now that the base is installed, tilt it down using the remote control tilt lever so that it's parallel to the ground. Okay, it's time to slide in the wheel trays. Open the quick change levers and slide the trays into the base, like this. Double check to make sure your trays are facing the right way, with the pivot arms on the side of the tray away from your vehicle. Make sure to slide the trays in to where both max lines are visible. Okay, attach the wheel cups. Insert the lock post through the holes in the wheel tray and the wheel cup front to back. Then, secure with an E-clip. A good trick is to use the large end of one of the SKS keys to apply pressure and secure the E-clip. That's it, you're ready to load your bikes. The Dr. Trey can support bikes up to 40 pounds each and will fit any bike that has 26-inch to 29-inch wheels and tires up to 5 inches wide. Always load the heaviest bike first. First, swing out the pivot arm and tuck the rear wheel strap out of the way. Then, place the bike onto the wheel tray. Now, swing the pivot arm into place 1 inch or less from the fork. Secure the pivot arm hook by pressing down firmly. Secure the rear wheel in the wheel cup using the strap. Thread the strap through the spokes and down through the buckle. Pull tight to secure. Now, let's lock it up. Access the locking cable near the pivot arm. Pull the cable out and pass it through the front wheel, around the frame, then to the lock post. And lock using your SKS key. To load another bike, turn it to face the opposite direction, and load and lock, same as the first bike. If your bikes are getting a little too close for comfort, easily adjust the trays with bikes loaded using the quick change levers. There, that's better. If you want to up the security factor, add your own lock cable or purchase our 9-foot SKS locking cable and secure through the built-in opening in the base. Once loaded, use the remote control lever to tilt the tray to access your trunk or tailgate. Unloading your bikes is even easier. Just reverse the process, being sure to press firmly down on the pivot arm button to release the hook. And when you aren't hauling bikes, make sure the arms are securely in place and flip up the rack using the remote control tilt lever to keep it out of the way. A third bike can easily be added to either the 2-inch or the 1.25-inch versions of the Dr. Trey by purchasing the Easy Plus One. You simply slide the outer tray inwards a bit using the quick change levers and bolt on the Easy Plus One to the Dr. Trey base. That's it. Don't forget, the Doctor can also open your post-ride beverage in a snap. Cheers!